Okay you guys, so before I get started with this video, I want to give a big shout out to Razer for sending over one of their newly launched Siren Mini microphones. All the audio from this video was recorded on this mic. It's portable, plug and play, and in comparison to the last mic that they launched, it retails for only $50. If you guys want to see an in-depth unboxing review for this microphone, I'll have a video for it up on my channel next week. Now let's jump straight into this video. So I'm starting off by concealing my eyes so that my shadows can show more vibrantly. Then I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty highlighter all over my lid. For this look, I really wanted it to be extremely simple, so if anyone else wants to do it, they don't have to be an expert at blending shadows. This is really the only shadow that I used on my lid, and it's a highlighter. So whatever gold shadows you guys have, it should work fine for this look. Next, I'm going with some liquid liner to draw an extremely dramatic cat eye for this Egyptian look. This is basically all that I'm going to be doing with my eyes for the most part. Next, I'm moving on to my face. So I'm starting off with some concealer and then my foundation of choice. This one is by Milani. It is the Conceal and Perfect foundation. Now I'm concealing under my eyes and the other high points of my face, including the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and my chin. I went a little bit heavy on my concealer for this look because I feel like Cleopatra had really chiseled features. Now my eyes were looking a little bit plain, so I went into this Too Faced palette. I just grabbed a brown shadow and I put that on my lower lash line. Now for contour, I'm not using a liquid contour for this, so I'm going to be using a powder to contour my whole face. My cheekbones and my nose will all be contoured with this nice warm brown shade. And then I'm going to set my face with some setting powder. For highlighter, I'm using this golden highlighter and I'm going to be using it to highlight the high points of my face. Next, I'm moving on to mascara. I applied a lot of mascara to get the look that I needed. I don't wear false lashes, so if you guys want to use falsies for your Cleopatra look, go for it. And I also used a little bit of blush. Now I'm going in with this Kat Von D liquid lipstick. It's in this beautiful deep burgundy color. So after setting my face, that's all that I have for my makeup look. Now I'm moving on to my costume. I flat ironed my hair so it's easy to put it underneath this wig. I ordered this wig off of Amazon. I think it was around 20 bucks. You could probably get a cheaper wig from a costume store. It came with a wig cap also, so that was really convenient. First, I put on my wig cap and then this wig. Straight out of the box, it looked a little bit crazy, but I seen it had a lot of potential. I also got this headpiece from off of Amazon. The whole costume I ordered basically off of Amazon. I'll put the link to all these pieces in the description box below. I felt like this would really bring that Egyptian look to life. Now for the costume. That's all that I got for this Halloween Cleopatra. Big shout out to Razor with their Siren Mini mic. If you guys want one of your own, I'll have the purchase link below in the description box of this video. Thanks for watching. Bye y'all.